In this video we are going to discuss about minimum insertion steps to make a string palindrome. This is a hard problem. Given a string S, in one step you can insert any character at any index of the string. Return the minimum number of steps to make S a palindrome. You have a string and you want to make it palindrome. What you can do, you can just insert the characters at any index. So how many characters or in how much or minimum number of characters you need to insert to make the given string a palindrome. So it's the tag is hard, but it's not that hard. Let's check. If the string is already palindrome, then you should not insert any characters, so answer is 0. And for this, how the answer is 2, then you just, the initial given string is mbadm, so you inserted d twice, d here after b and b after d to make it palindrome. Mainly you inserted 2 characters to make the string palindrome. So how can we approach this problem? M B A D M. So we can easily solve the problem like using recursive DP, like DP of ij will give us that the string from index I to j, the minimum number of characters needed to insert in the string which is from index I to j. So initially, as we want to make the whole string palindrome, we will try the index I with 0 and j with size -1. So by definition it will give the answer of the whole string, that how many characters are needed to make the whole string palindrome. So how can we then further move in the problem? If I and j are same, we will move the index to the next, and it doesn't need any characters to insert in the string. If we get a mismatch, we need to fix it by inserting a character. So we can insert a character before b or after d. We have 2 options. So if we insert b here, the dp call will be like I comma if we insert b here, we matched b with b, so the I will be next to it. So the next recursive call will be I plus 1 to j. And if we insert d here, means we match d with d, so I will remain the same and j will move to the next, and thus we can easily solve the problem. Let's see the code. The code is really easy. Just a dp, I just assign dp -1, then I is equal to 0 and j is equal to size -1 and the string. So if I is greater than equal to j, then return 0. That means we just traverse the whole string. If the value is already calculated, we return the value. If s of I and s of j, then we just move the 2 pointers to the next, and if there is no match, then we should insert one character, so this is 1 plus minimum of solve of I plus 1j. we can add the character before the after the j. For this case this function will call, and we can insert a character before I, so this function will call, and thus we can easily solve the problem.